Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1 4-speed. And this one I filmed at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas in November of 2025. And this one sold Saturday, November 1st. And it was lot number S212. And it sold for $198,000. And I'll read off the sticker on the window and the auction site, Mecum's auction site, give you a few details about it. It had 64,957 miles. And like I said, it was a 4-speed. The Stage 1 engine, which is 360 horsepower, 455. And it was the 39th GSX built in 1970, and it was a frame-off restoration, real nice one. And it was documented with 2 build sheets and registration with the National GSX Historical Society. And it was matching numbers 455, 360 horsepower Stage 1 V8 engine, 4-speed transmission, bucket seats and console, power steering, power disc brakes, hood tack, tilt steering column, AM radio, padded rally steering wheel, which was a special wheel for the GSX only. It was thicker than the standard sport wheel, and color matched mirrors. And they all came with a 364 positive traction rear end, and has the correct WG code chrome road wheels, which they all came with, which I believe were 8 inches wide and were for the GSX only. As far as production numbers go, Buick built 678 GSXs, and out of that, 199 had the M21 4-speed, and 479 were the automatics. And as far as the Stage 1 engine goes, 400 of them had the Stage 1 engine, 280 had the automatic, 120 had the 4-speed, the M21 Muncie. And then of the non-Stage 1 cars, just the GS 455 engine with 350 horsepower, 278 had that engine, 199 were automatics, and 79 were 4-speeds. So actually the rarest of them would be the non-Stage 1 4-speed cars, which only 79 had that combination. As far as the colors go, the GSX in 1970 came in 2 colors. Saturn Yellow, which they made 491, and Apollo White, they made 187 of them, for a total of 678 built in 1970 model year. But this was the top dog for Buick in 1970. This was the number 1 car to have a GSX with the Stage 1 engine and a 4-speed. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1, 455, 360 horsepower, 4-speed, with 64,957 miles. And I filmed it at the Mecum auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, 2025 on Saturday, November 1st. And like I said, it sold for $198,000. And it was a beauty, that's for sure. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.